Hey Nick, this is Josh from Josh and Anny SEO. I'm just shooting you over that video about how you can improve your online presence. So, taking a look at your site, first off, love the name. The Enchanted Florist LLC is awesome. The way you go into it is great. It's just there's not much to it, unfortunately. I'm going to be honest. You do have your number here, which is awesome, and of course a link to your Facebook, which has more. But as far as the website goes, not really that much. Um, so let's take a look behind the scenes. Let's see what's going on with your website because you have some content, but not really what Google necessarily would be looking for. So let's take a look. We put your um, website in to a system called Ahrefs, which allows us to take a look behind the curtains. Out pops your website rankings. So two things are the UR and the DR rating. The UR rating is the strength of your site, which is a 4, and the DR rating, which is the trust that Google places in your site, is a 0.2. Now, ideally, we want both these numbers to be in between 30 and 40 with a ratio of 1 to 1. That's what we call the golden ratio. Now, the way you get that is with backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link that leads from another website back to yours. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. For example, a backlink from Wikipedia would be awful because that's a super spammy site. However, a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog would be great because that's relevant to your service. Now, another huge thing are those organic keywords. What buyer intent words are you ranking for? So let's check it out. You're ranking for 4 of them. Extra drawing. You're ranking for 4 of them. So let's check what those are. And in the United States, it seems you're only ranking for 2. So, Florist and Handsome Prince Ironwood, Michigan, I think. Okay, exit drawing. I want to move this thing. Exit drawing. Sorry, there we go. Right at the bottom. So, you're not really ranking for any keywords that someone put into Google in order to find your service, which is unfortunate because I want more people to see the Once Upon a Time. But let's check out what a buyer intent word would be. So Flooring Milwaukee, Wisconsin. That's one of the top buyer intent words someone's putting into Google to find flooring. So first thing you're going to have is your GMB. Now, the Google Map Pack is super important to get on because 30 to 40% of all people will stop right here and pick one of these 3. It's usually 3, but there's an ad with Floor and Decor, so that's 4. And they'll pick one of these people because that's just the easiest thing to do. Then you're going to have your organic rankings. This is by strength of website. So you're going to start off with like the Yelp or Houzz. This time it's Yelp. And then you're going to have your top competitor, which is Flawless Flooring. So let's check out their website. So they got a lot going on. They have more traditional website. They have their drop downs. They have their click to call, project estimate, all the different stuff they do, as well as why choose them essentially, and the different floors they work with. Now, they don't have a ton of content either. What Google is truly looking for is 1,500 to 2,000 words. But let's check behind the scenes and see why they're number 1. So we put in their site and out pops their URDR. So their strength is a 26 and their trust is a 3.7. So they can still work on some stuff, but what they are doing really well are their backlinks. They have 695 different backlinks leading back and helping their URDR along. And they have over 2,000 organic keywords that Google is ranking them for. So let's check those out. Let's see what they're actually ranking for. So Flawless Flooring, their own name, Viking Floors, Viking Floor, Milwaukee Flooring. 200 people are searching that a month. They're in the first real position, as you saw. They're getting 27 from that. Same deal with Flooring Milwaukee. Second real position or first real position, 27 people. And then if we go down a little more, Flooring Store, 100 people a month are searching that. 5 people are they're in the third or fourth position, and they're getting 11 people from that, which is great. They're getting over 10%. Now, if we're looking to beat them out and get that traffic for yourself, first things first, we got to raise those backlinks. Now, you want to get more than your competition has. They have 695, you want to get 800. So, great thing is you know where 695 are. Flawless Flooring is using them. You can use them too. It's just the backlink. As long as they're strong, you take them for yourself. And then, of course, you want that content. 1,500, 2,000 words on your homepage. And I know you really only have a one-page site, and then it more goes into your blog and to different videos. However, you do want to have a separate, of course, separate service pages, um, just to show all your different services and put more content there. So Google can say, hey, this person is looking to rank for these buyer intent words, and that put together with having a strong site will start raising you up in the rankings, putting you towards the top. Do that, you should start seeing more organic traffic to your site and more calls through your website. Now, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach back out to me. And if you can leave some feedback, that would be awesome. You have a blessed rest of your day.